In the configuration wizard for filament settings in Bambu Studio, there is a huge range of presets available, but only for a small number of vendors. What if you want to use a few different filaments from other vendors that aren't listed under these presets? You can't have them all just listed under generic PLA. Well, whilst Bambu Studio hasn't made it the most user-friendly way of finding these, it's actually a really quick and easy thing to do. So here I'll show you how you can create your own vendors and your own material types within Bambu Studio. So let's have a look. So when you go into the filament settings here, the type of material, PLA or ABS, etc., is grayed out, as is the vendor. You cannot change the vendor. Even if you were to save this as a new preset, you still can't change these settings. So how do you add a new vendor or type of material? So we'll go up to the configuration wizard again. You're familiar with this from when you first set it up. This allows you to select from different presets of different materials. But what if you want one that isn't listed here? Well, we go up to custom filaments and we click create new. Here we can select from a wider range of materials such as Prism or Creality or Inland, etc., Flash Forge. But if your vendor isn't listed here, that's absolutely fine. Just click on can't find vendor I want and then enter the name up here. You can then come down and select the material type of the preset that you're creating. So let's go ahead and we'll just select PLA for now. Under serial, you can select the specific type. So it gives examples here of basic, matte, silk, marble. So I'm going to add recycled PLA, so that'll be RPLA. And then you can select a existing filament preset that will be used to basically fill in all of the settings for this to begin with, and then you can go and change those settings later. So let's go ahead and we're just going to apply the generic PLA settings to this filament. And you can then apply this filament as a preset for use with any of the printers that you currently have listed in your drop-down menu up here. So I will just select all 3 of these because I want to be able to use this material with all 3 of my printers, and we'll click create. The filament has been created, so let's click OK, and let's select that from our list up here, Filamentive RPLA. And then we can go in here, and then we can change the various settings in this section, such as the flow ratio, which will be dependent again on your vendor, the price if you want it to be able to let you know how much an item is going to cost to print, and the various temperature settings and cooling settings. If you want to learn more about the filament settings under these tabs and what each of them means, make sure you check out my Bambu Slicer Beginner's Guide and my Bambu Slicer Advanced Guide. Well, I hope this quick and easy fix helps you get your filament vendors listed under your presets in Bambu Studio. If you did find this video useful, please make sure you hit like, it makes a huge difference to me. And while you're down there, why not hit subscribe to keep an eye out for my other videos coming very soon. Thanks very much for sticking right to the end, guys. If you've got specific videos you would like me to make sure you mention them in the comments below. Otherwise, why not check out some of my other videos I've already got listed on my channel. See you next time and happy printing.